Alam nyo ba na hindi lang sa puro calculator nakikita ang geometric? Meron din sa simbahan. Let's decode kung paano na-evolve ang geometric design ng San Pablo Church.
Ready na ba kayo mga Kadora? Arat na!
We're time traveling to 1646. Yes, with San Pablo Church Isabela na maraming istorya. Mga Kadora, alam nyo ba na ang church na ito ay hindi lamang puro postura? It's geometric sacred daw. Parang code ng ating universe. Feeling ko, the architect was like, Lord, gawin nating vibrant ang faith kahit sa simpleng line lang. Ayun, naging spiritual aesthetic goes tuloy.
Check this unique belfry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O, diba 6 layers? Parang life problem. Unti-unting umaangat. Sabi siguro ng mga ancestors, tibayan natin para maalala tayo. O, diba? Sana all!
Look at these walls. Rough adaw bricks and coral stones. Alam nyo ba na ang mga ito ay parang love team ng history? Spanish technique, plus Pinoy discarded. Grabe, earthquake resistant pa. Kaya matita ito, parang tita energy.
So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na at bisitahin natin ang ganda at tibay na taglay sa San Pablo Church, Isabela.
Today, we're driving into the geometric designs of this park.
Math in a park?
Trust me, it's a chef kiss level of fun. So ano pang hinihintay nyo?
Arat na!
Did you know that KKK Festival those designed the Kalasa?
Medina!
Look closely ni it kapag nakakita kayo. Maraming geometry stuff. Dagdag kaalaman lang na sa tuwing nagdiriwang sila ng kanilang festivals, there always is a body dance.
The formation are so precise. Straight lines, tight circle, triangle. It's like geometric in motion. And the costumes? Bongga! It stands for strength and connection pala for their ancestral lands.
Grabe no? In how arts and maths collide in their festival. Centuries ago, Kalesas rolled into Kabagan with the stories carved into the wood. Ngayon, this Kalesas is spin exact same rhythm in a pure joy. And it sits right into the heart of the Kabagan Square Park.
The pathway isn't just like because it can also lead you from the town center to the park's heart. Itong mga interlocking bricks ay parang metaphor ng kabayan because every piece fits together to make something
Circle, rectangle, and square. Sabi nga ng mga iba na boxer, the circle means wholeness, and the hexagons mean stability. So, ibig sabihin, every geometric design has to tell a story. Isa sa pinakamagandang gawin dito sa park is how it fits right into the park vibes. Maraming spaces for everyone. You can bring snacks, lay out a blanket, and watch the kids have fun.
Alam niyo bang may playground rin sila? The playground set right in the park's open green space. So
this is the love letter to this town. The carousel that spins, the square part that has square shape, and the palesa that has symmetry design. And this is its feel balance.
Kaya mga Kadora, when you go at Isabela, don't forget to visit the Kabagan Square Park. It is not just a park, it is a place where you can have fun and bond with your families and friends. Dito na lang mga Kadora!
Geometric design doesn't not just develop in culture, arts, beauty in one place.
It's not just a simple design, but also a story to tell and the meaning to be told to us.
Geometric design grow from a place's heart. The shape become more than just an art. They also become language.
Remember, math is everywhere. Let us appreciate the beauty and the meaning of it.
Thanks for watching and exploring with us. Keep your eyes open for the magic in every line and curves.